Check, check, mic check. Hello, everyone. Uh, in this video and in the upcoming few videos, we are going to learn basics of Linux and Linux commands. So Linux commands, going more deeper into the DevOps, we would use more of the Linux commands, scripting, and bit of programming language. So it's really good to learn the Linux and Linux commands at the beginning of this course. So what are we going to see in this video and in the upcoming video is basic commands how to run in the terminal and the output of it. So it has been categorized into multiple category. So first category we are going to see is the navigation. So how to create a directory, remove a directory, change the directory, and understanding the current working directory. Second category is file manipulation. Here you will see the commands to copy, move uh, the category, or I mean the folder or files from one place to another. Third category is system information. So here we will understand the commands which helps you to understand the host name, date, uh, uptime, how long your system has been up. Fourth is package management. Here we will see how to install, remove a package, upgrade or update a package. So process management category, here you will see the list of current running processes, uh, and how to terminate a process or terminate all the processes by name, uh, suspend, how to suspend a current running process or cancel a current running command. In category, here we will see the netstat, uh, ping command to check the connectivity, if config to check your IP address. SSH, we already know how to run it, but however, we will look into it once again. User and permission category. So here you will know how sudo command works, changing the ownership of a file and changing a permission of a file. And little more shortcuts like how to clear your terminal screen, how to change the cursor position from one line to another, delete a line, and so currently we have both of the instances stopped. So this is the instance which we spinned up at the beginning. I'm going to start this. Okay, it is started. So I'm going to open my terminal. So always remember we need to load our key. So the key is there. Oops. Key is there in the document page, in document folder. Okay. Now we have entered into our Ubuntu. So what we will do is let's learn the navigation commands. So when you say cd is the change directory. Let's ls. So we have two directories which has already been created. So one is Linux test and test one. So let's enter into Linux. Okay. So now we are into Linux test. Let's do a ls command. So it has a text file. So what is my present working directory is It has given me the absolute path, home Ubuntu Linux text. So ls is the list command. So I'm going to use ls hyphen l. Okay, ls space hyphen l. So it shows me the detailed view of this particular file. One is what is the permission set. Ubuntu 4096 is the KB, the kilobyte when it was created, and the file. So let's make a new um, directory. So for that, we are already into Linux test. Let's anyway make a directory. Mkdir. So 100 days is what we mentioned. Now let's put DevOps. Okay. So now what we have, now we have a text file and a directory called DevOps. So let's get into DevOps. So now we are into home Ubuntu Linux test and DevOps. So to come out of a directory, cd dot dot, sorry, cd space dot dot. Now we came out of the DevOps. So using the ls command, we have 100 days dot text. Let's try to remove the uh, file, which is we should use rm 100 days. Yeah. So when we use rm hyphen r, it's recursively going to remove the file. So similarly, you can remove the folder also, which is rmdir DevOps. So now the folder is empty. So we created a text file and a directory, and by using remove command, we removed both. So now let us press Ctrl L to clear the screen. Now we'll see the system information commands. So let's see the host name. So host name is this IP address. We haven't created any host name here, so it's directly the IP address. So this is the uname. Who am I? So I'm Ubuntu. This is one of the command. So date, it's the current timestamp in UTC. Uh, so this particular instance is up since 6 minutes. Just for this training, I uh, initiated. I mean, I what to say? I I started this instance. Free underscore, sorry, free hyphen h. So what is the total memory, used memory, free memory, so buffer, caches. uh, so it displays everything. So this command displays the uh, disk space usage. So you can see how much disk space has are there for root 20 GB, and it is 1.9 GB is under usage, and available is 18 GB. So 10% is used.